Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Unique Skywalk which is located near Magarpatta Bridge, Mundwa, Pune and developed by Unique Properties. And in this video we'll be discussing about Willow Points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me introduce you to Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls as well. Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Unique Skywalk will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel and consisting of 2 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 5 podium plus 24 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual site of the project. मेरे बैक एंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर दयरकर कॉलोनी, पिंगले बस्ती, कोरेगांव पार्क, एनएक्स, मुंडवा, पुणे. और जो सामने आप देख रहे हैं कि रहेगा मगरपट्टा ब्रिज. और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो रोड है वो डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है मगरपट्टा रोड से, एंड राइट हैंड साइड में जो रोड है वो डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है कोरेगांव पार्क से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है मुंडवा चौक विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर, सीजन स्मॉल विद इन 2.6 किलोमीटर, एंड ऑल्सो मगरपट्टा सर्कल विद इन 3.1 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like rooftop skywalk, infinity swimming pool, kids play area, senior scout area, multi-purpose hall, indoor games, jogging track and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Unique Skywalk has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK with 850 square feet and 3 BHK with 1150 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project token windows is open now, and from the next month they're starting the booking process also. And then clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of Unique Skywalk, which is located near मगरपट्टा ब्रिज, मुंडवा, पुणे एंड डेवलप्ड बाय यूनिक प्रॉपर्टीज. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में आकर प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.